What's up guys, it's your boy Digital Whitey Gamer, and today we're back with another video, and today we are playing Beast War Sim. So let's get into it. Now guys, I've played this in total for 3 days. So yeah. What bee don't I need? I don't really need this bee. A demo bee. Oh, I got a rascal bee. I mean, I took the chances. So yeah. So let's do a couple quests, maybe. Okay. Guys, I glitched into this bit. I don't actually have 30 bees. But yeah. Collect 1,500 honey tokens. No. Okay, let's do polar bears, sunflower. Okay, let's do sunflower. Sunflower. How much do these cost? Wow, I can get 1,000, but I don't want to. So let's just get 50k right now. Yeah, just get 50k sunflower. Can I jump this? Oh, I can't. What's in here? Oh. I can buy this. Oh. Complete 250 Riley Bee quests to unlock. What? How? Okay. I mean, that's kind of hard. Okay, so let's place down some gumdrops. Some more gumdrops. And then some more gumdrops. And then some more gumdrops. And I should be able to do this quite fast. Let's place another gumdrop. Then 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 another one. Then another one. That should almost be a quest done. Hopefully. Then off to the pineapple we go. Pineapple. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, moon sprout. Is there a moon sprout? Is moon sprout gonna be? I don't know. Okay, let's now go to pineapple. Let's go on here. Let's go for 3 mythic bees to summon a meteor shower. Oh yeah, this mantis and rhino beetle. Okay, rhino beetle down. Mantis down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's place down this. And let's place another one. Then 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 another one. Yeah. Let's go. And replace another one. Found windy bee. And coconut. I don't have coconut, do I? Do I have coconut? You know, I don't know if I do. Don't know if I've been up there yet. as if I haven't. Why not go up? I was just looking at the honeybee. No, not the honeybee. The other thing. Whatever it's called. What the hell are you? Be an elf cap. What is this? Never been here. Oh, he gave me a quest as well. 2 million? Oh. Okay, that might be a problem. 2 million. 2 million. It's like most of my backpack's full. It's like 3 and full. Okay. So that might take a while, maybe. Or hopefully it doesn't. Oh yeah. Thought it was about to disappear. Guys, I have a couple gifteds. A couple. I also have a gifted diamond bee. There's also a really good person in this game. Yeah, there's a really good person. He has like basically only mythic bees. Well, he was in the game, unless he left. Okay, now we can go back to Polar Bear. Polar Bear! Okay, let's go. Let's use the cannon. Let's go back here. And then over like that. Okay. Yeah, not too good. Okay. Now, guys, we're going to pause the video and we're going to be back when we have 2 million pollen from the pumpkin patch. Hello. Yep, we are back and we have completed it. Now, who was it again? Wasn't it? Oh yeah, wasn't it that bee? Or that person up there? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Wait, is it this guy? Wait. I'm still setting up shop, but I'll have a lot more. Okay, so it's not him. Wait, he has a shop. $100 trillion honey. How's that possible?
Well, that's not so bad. This car's just full of working stiffs.
No, it's not.
Fight a monster or something.
You are looking at the scariest monster Clayton has saw. Milk management.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it was him, wasn't it? This guy. What did he give me? What did he give me? Looks like you haven't quite finished my quest. Oh. Okay, mushroom field. This isn't mushroom field. This is mushroom field. Bees kill them. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, this also counts up with red pollen. This is good for red pollen. Yep. So we can grind in here for a bit as well. Get all the red pollen. Let's do this bit. Then that bit. Then I guess that bit. Then that bit. Then that bit. Then that bit. Yeah. Get all the mushroom, or the red pollen. Yeah, guys, let's get all the red pollen. Please, red pollen. It'd be much easier. He just came down with a parachute. Just came down like. Let's do. Oh. Okay, let's go. Then we get all this. Then we get some of this. Okay, now we're good. Let me quickly just do this. Yeah. Let's just get all my honey. And guys, I'm gonna do a video once I hit 150 million honey. That might take a while, but I will do a video. Oh, it's nighttime. There's Mondo chick here. I'm not gonna do it. Spend one ticket to use the invent conventer. I can get 10. Probably quite a lot of time. Hello. My bees are just attacking the Mondo chicken. Yeah, look at that. I do basically 0 damage. Ah! He just came out of nowhere. Look, a bee is out of energy. It's going to sleep. Basic bee is out of energy. It's going to sleep. Oh, this thing. Okay, let's talk to brown bee now. Dong. Okay. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we have 1 royal jelly, guys. What one? What one are we using it on? Rugby? No, I don't have a rugby. I don't have 2 rugbies. Who should I? Who? Who am I using it on? Oh. Wait, I have these. Who am I using it on? What the? Why is my bee glowing? I still don't know. Who am I doing? I might have to do this guy. Ooh! I just got a legendary. That's actually nice. I don't have this place. Can I? Oh. What the? You see that, guys? I didn't know there was an area up there. Oh, okay, that's helpful. Oh, it was black bear. Okay, what's my new? Okay, that is quite... Defeat the spider. Come on, bees. Kill me. Come on, bees. I was gonna say, bees are useless. Hey, what's up? Yeah, we're friends now. Yeah. We are friends now. I barely have any tickets. How many tickets do I have? 28. What was I gonna do? Oh yes, I was gonna find where the mantises go. Where did they go? Oh yeah, I remember. Sorry guys. I remember where they go. They go in pine tree. Two mantises. Oh wow. This guy's been on here for like 5 hours or something. He hasn't came off yet. I can save up for this. And 10 ace badges. And 10 master badges. 10 grandmaster badges. Oh, that, I mean, that guy has one, like 10 grandmaster badges. What should I do? Oh, there's something up there. What is that? Let's get it. Come on. Oh. Oh, we can get it. Boom. What is it? Loaded dice. Guys, I got some loaded dice. No, we can't make that. Hello, honeybee. I still need to complete honey tokens. Yeah, I kind of need honey tokens. Light Q. Who is? Oh, that's Hey, what's up? He can eat me. Polar bear, yeah. Yeah, so that's gonna need to wait that one out. And guys, the reason why I'm gonna do a video when I get 150k golden rake, I could try and buy this, I guess. Let me go back to my hive. Start making. I should be able to get it. My bee's sleeping. Yeah, look, I can get it now. Okay, let's go. Boom, I bought it. Now I've got a giant rake. Oh, wow. Actually pretty good. Okay. Okay. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. See